So we're starting today off the night before. I'm actually prepping a chia pudding. This full recipe will be linked in the description box down below and on my website italeatsandtreats.com, and the recipe will be available for a printable version. Anyways, I'm making a blue chia pudding that is high protein because I'm actually making hemp milk to pair with this, so it adds an extra 10 grams of protein, which is absolutely amazing. But I shared this on my Instagram about like a week ago and people went crazy. People were loving it, so now I'm finally sharing the recipe. This is so tasty. I sweetened it with dates instead of adding like agave, just because dates are less processed and they offer more fiber and they're really tasty. And this was so yummy, really easy to make. Just prep it the night before. The next day you stir it up a little bit, you top it with some fruit, and then you're done. So what you just saw was the night before. I'm starting the day off with some tea because I am focusing on regulating my nervous system and just really helping to attack my anxiety head on. Of course, I am doing a lot of mental things like therapy. I am meditating, I'm doing yoga, I am journaling. I also want to treat my body like a temple, so I'm making sure to consume good things. So to start off the day, before I eat anything, I'm gonna go ahead and have some herbal tea as well as a big old liter of key lime water to really help my digestion and to help my stomach prepare for the food I will be consuming later on in the day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make a delicious green juice. This is also going to help with my digestion. The juice that I'm using is always the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus. As you all can see, I don't have to chop up anything. I don't even have to chop up my apples, and a lot of people are afraid to juice apples whole because the seeds have cyanide, but this juicer is so smart. It actually separates the seeds from the apple without crushing them, and the seeds go into the pulp. If you're interested, you can use my code ITALEATS and a link in the description box for 10% off this incredible juicer. The warranty is also 15 years, which means it'll be in your kitchen for 15 years. It's such an amazing product, and it has helped my juicing journey and my raw journey so much. So just like I said, the next day, the chia pudding doesn't really need anything else. You just scoop it out of the mason jar. I topped it with some cashew yogurt from Trader Joe's, as well as some berries, sprinkled it with some cinnamon. This was so tasty, such a great breakfast, packed with protein, packed with omega-3s, and packed with fiber. I decided to top it off with some nuts and nut mix from Costco, and that was so tasty. I wanted to talk really quickly about like mental health and anxiety, especially as a Black woman. Nowadays, I feel like mental health is starting to get talked about and spoken about a lot more, but I feel like it's so important to really be thinking about it every day, especially for someone like me who has been diagnosed with anxiety. I tend to overthink things a lot, and it can really mess up my nervous system. So last week I was just like shaking because I was so anxious, and it was so bad. I was like waking up shaking, going to bed shaking, and it would be like over like little things. So because I was having such a big reaction to such small little beanie things, it clearly showed me that my nervous system was not regulated, and my therapist also pointed that out. So I really was focusing on regulating my nervous system, and you know, food can really help, but really getting into your mental is so important. Attacking things that happened in the past that might have caused trauma, learning how to overcome those things and using tools to help me move on from those things are so important. And I'm happy to say that now I'm finally feeling okay again, and I've been able to use the tools learned in therapy to be able to just re-regulate my nervous system.
Are you
let's set up my matcha stand. If you're interested in any of the products you see here today, I will go ahead and link my Amazon storefront where you can get basically everything from here.
Yo, this is crazy.
You guys, I wanted to just film an aesthetically pleasing matcha opening, like opening a new tin, because if you're a matcha girly like me, you know say that opening a new tin of matcha is one of the most relaxing and satisfying things ever. This was so stressful, I legitimately almost shed tears. This tin of matcha cost me $33. So the fact that I wasted so much, probably wasted enough for 1 or 2 drinks, I literally almost shed tears, especially the fact that number 1, we are in a recession, and number 2, there is a current matcha shortage in the entire country, and I'm pretty sure the entire world. So that was super stressful for me. I had some berries that were about to go to waste, so I decided to make a simple syrup made from raspberries and strawberries, and I added some rose. That was so delicious. And of course, I'm using my Nama M1 plant-based milk maker to make some homemade plant-based milk. You can use code ITELLEATS and the link in my description box to get 10% off. So if you're a matcha girly and you want to regulate your nervous system, try not to, you know, spill a whole heap of matcha like I did. But I'm just happy I didn't freak out over that because, you know, mistakes happen, accidents happen, and so it go, you know, that's life. Anyways, this lunch honestly really helped out my nervous system because it was so delicious. Even my mom took some and she said the jerk lentils were so tasty. And I really think that when you're going through an anxious moment, making food that not only looks beautiful but also tastes incredible really helps. But like I said, I was going through a lot, but eating food that looked gorgeous and that made me feel good on the inside really helped to ease my anxiety and it made me feel better. I decided to eat some off-brand Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Well, it's not off-brand, it's just a healthier version, the one that you can find from Whole Foods. And I used my homemade milk, had some coconut water, and I went ahead and got started on dinner, which was going to be some ramen noodles that I'm actually making from I'm making the broth from scratch. And there are these cakes that you can get from Costco. They're made from rice and they're completely gluten-free. So tasty, and this dish was really nice. In all, making simple meals that also taste really nice and that are comforting and homey can really help the nervous system and really help anxiety. The reason why I wanted to share this particular recipe was because my therapist had recommended for me to consume some broth. I know I'm talking about therapy a lot. It sounds like I'm gonna try to promote therapy. I promise this isn't sponsored. I'm just trying to get people to focus on their mental health. But this was super tasty and it really helped me to feel better, and I watched my favorite YouTubers while I ate this. Thank you all so much for watching today and tuning in. If you're going through something, just know you're not alone. Make sure you journal, make sure you meditate, and make sure you talk to loved ones. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!